look at the water. It's beautiful.
Is it beautiful?
Yep. I'm happy.
What?
I said I'm happy.
Oh, you're happy?
Yep.
I'm happy too.
Yeah. Look at the water. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful?
Yep.
What about the trees?
Mommy, the tree's beautiful.
The trees are beautiful?
Yep.
They are beautiful.
And look at the gate. The gate's locked.
The gate's locked?
Yep. And we can open it and we cheese. Mommy, that's my foot.
That's your what?
It's my foot.
That's your what? Say it loud, I can't hear it.
Mommy, it's my foot.
That's your fart?
Yep.
What, the smell?
Yes. Mommy sounds like chocolate.
It smells like chocolate?
Yep.
Well, that's a good smell to have.
Yep. I know how it.
We're gonna go down the hill soon.
Yep.
You wanna go down the hill?
Yeah. This is fun.
This is fun.
Mommy, I see monster part.
You see monster what?
I see the monster part.
You see a monster part?
Yeah.
Are you being a scary monster?
Yeah, that's a scary monster. And scared. And I am scared. Hey! Help! Ooh, the big monster! Wow! That's close. That's fun. I'm not farted.
You farted?
Yeah.
What was that?
It's my bumpy.
Your bumpy?
Yes.
Here we go.
Wee! Guess what, Mommy?
What?
We found White Sarah and she lost again.
You found White Sarah and she's lost again?
Yeah, she lost again. I found her.
You found her?
And Joy found all the White Sarah and she found her. I know. We have toys in the garage and stuffs and there, that's better.
What was wrong?
I was scooting.
You're scooting?
And that's and doing this.
Oh yeah.
That's better.
Yeah. Adjusting your seat.
Yep, just like my seat.
Whoa, Jessie, don't do that. There's everyone else.
Yeah.
Whoa, Jess.
Oh, Jess, don't do that.
Don't do that, Jess.
Yeah, that's good. Jess.
Do you hear the water?
Yeah.
What do you think about the water?
Is the water stinky something? Is the water stinky something? Oh, I hear the water. Mommy, I hear the water.
I hear the water too.
Yeah, me too.
Out of breath after that hill.
And I hear this. I hear the boat.
No, those are the trucks.
Mommy,
cars.
Mommy, I hear the truck.
Yeah, you hear the trucks. Let's see if we can see them with the light. A little bit there. And what happened with the sprinklers?
I get when I fall on and I don't get wet.
We got all wet?
Yeah, and I got all wet. My shorts dried
Well, that's good. Mommy's is still wet.
and my shorts is wet.
Your shirt is wet?
Yeah, it is wet.
Guess what we're gonna do? You ready?
Yep.
What are we gonna do? Trying to go up the hill?
I'm trying to go here and over waist.
Here we go. We're gonna go fast.
So we can go fast.